today with the 2021 GR Supra. The Toyota GR Supra combines design, performance, and safety. Heads will turn as you cruise down the street in this sports coupe. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.